and my consultation is at 9 a.m. So we're about to head out. I look super tired still, and my skin condition has never looked worse, but it's about to get even worse before it gets better. Here's our view from the hotel. We are in the Gangnam district, and we are, I think, 11 floors up, so this is pretty cool. So I am at the clinic now. So I just finished my consultation. The consultation was actually super quick. I don't even think it took more than 10 minutes probably. So I also got my blood drawn, so my band-aid's right there. And also during the consultation, my doctor used a pen and a toothpick, and he kind of marked where he thought I wanted the lid. So he first went to the middle, and then he went really low, and then he went like really high. So we decided to go with the middle option because when it was really low, it looked like a monolid, but when it was like too high, it just looked completely unnatural. So we went just right here, which is perfect. I just finished my surgery, so I'll just give like a quick summary of what happened. Around 1 o'clock, they invited me into the surgery room, and then they injected me with I think like 2 needles, but I don't quite remember what they were. The one that I do remember was the anesthetic one, but it was supposed to make me sleep, but I was like panicking. I was literally shaking. I was just too panicked to sleep. But then I don't know, maybe I just crashed, but it was like immediately I just fell asleep, and I was just confused. I was seeing all different colors. I was like floating or something. But anyway, when I kind of gained consciousness again, there was people already operating on me. I feel like they spent most of their time doing this eye. Like, my thought on that is that maybe I was just completely asleep when they were operating on this eye. And I haven't really seen my eyes yet, but I'm assuming this one is more bruised than this one. Here is me. I'm very bruised, very swollen, definitely not looking my best today. It's very red, which is a little disturbing, but I am happy because I can officially eat food after like a 24-hour fast. I can officially drink water after not being able to drink for like 8 hours at least. I don't look happy, but trust me, on the inside, I'm pretty happy. It was one of my life goals just got accomplished, so hell yeah. Cheers to that. Cheers with water. Hi, so I'm back at my hotel, and I'm enjoying a Korean style lunch. Oh, thank you. And some pumpkin juice. So the goal is to de-swell as much as possible, and not eat too spicy food, too salty food. Just avoid the extremes. So yeah, we got some purple rice, some beef, I haven't tried this yet, so I can't tell you what it is. I don't know what that is either. Some salad of some sort, and some side dishes, and this is a soup. Yeah, this is my lunch. And then, yeah, of course, pumpkin juice, and then we got some pumpkin porridge too. Hey guys, it's like 2 a.m. right now and I can't sleep because jet lag. As soon as I got back to the hotel and as soon as I finished dinner, I just like snoozed away. So I've pretty much slept for like I think over 8 hours already. So good morning. I think the swelling has gone down a little bit. I can open my eyes better. And I've also noticed that this eye is recovering a little slower than this eye. And I think that's because, like I said earlier, during the surgery, I felt like he was spending more time on this eye than this eye. It completely went over my head yesterday. I forgot to talk about pain. During the surgery, of course they gave you anesthetics, but it hurt. Like, I could feel them. You could feel them pick up your skin. You could feel them, like, burn your skin with, like, the laser cutter. On a scale from 1 to 10, I guess it would be, like, a 4. Hey guys, so today I went back to the clinic and I got an IV. So I think it was a disinfecting IV. Oh, by the way, I'm eating some bread. I got an IV and I got a laser treatment on my eyes. So they just shined like a red light over my eyes for 10 minutes and it was supposed to disinfect my eye area. Today I was walking around all day and it was a lot of work, but my translator told me that the more you walk around, the more you get up and be active, the faster it deswells. And also she said to drink lots of water so you flush out the toxins. So that's what I've been doing, and I've also been drinking tons of pumpkin juice. Hello, today is day 3 after surgery, and today we're gonna go shopping in Myeongdong. So here's a checkup on my eyes. They are significantly less swollen from day 1. I'm not gonna deny it's still pretty red, it's still pretty bad. This part looks a little scary, but I've noticed that the swelling has actually moved away from the eyes and kind of moved to my cheeks. And this is normal according to my translator. She said that when the swelling goes away, it's gonna move down the face. So right now the swelling is right here on my cheeks. It looks super puffy. And also on my nose, I feel like there's a lot of swelling here. Also, the tape. I don't know why this tape is still here. I don't know what purpose it serves. Yesterday when I got the IV, they didn't change it and they didn't take it off. So this is still the same tape from day 1 and it's not sticking to my eyes anymore. So I feel like they're kind of useless, but I mean, I was told to not mess with them, so here they are, still on my face. Hey guys, it is day 4 after surgery. I feel like the swelling around my nose has gone down a lot. Like, oh my god, I have somewhat of a nose again. I've also noticed that there's definitely some yellowness going on here and here. I also feel like the swelling has moved down my face a little bit more. So now it's more over here rather than like up here and around the nose. I actually went back to the clinic today to get another IV and to get another laser eye treatment thing. I think this clinic does a really good job of aftercare. I know most clinics just do the surgery and then give you some gel and some medicine. So in 2 days I will get my stitches out, and that is just the stitches on the double eyelids, not the inner corners. And then I think after 4 days will be the day we leave Korea, and that will also be the day I get my inner corner stitches out. This is what the lids are looking like, and here is it with the eyes closed. Hey guys, it is day 5 after surgery, and it is the morning right now. Before, there was some kind of asymmetry between my eyes where this eye was a little higher than this eye, but I feel like as of today they're pretty even, in my opinion. So here's them open and here's them closed. The obvious thing here is the yellowing around my eyes have gotten much worse. Yeah, also, weird thing is, since coming to Korea, I haven't had any breakouts, which is weird because I usually break out like once or twice a week. It's really often. And since coming to Korea, I haven't even like properly washed my face because I can't. I haven't done any of my skincare routine steps, like nothing. And my skin is like doing better than ever. And so my conspiracy is that the Korean government releases skincare into the air, so Koreans generally have better skin. That's my conspiracy, because Damn. I mean, my skin wasn't great to begin with, but like, this is much better than my skin in the United States. Hey guys, today I got my stitches removed, and actually my nurse said that my inner corners were healed enough to have the stitches in the inner corners removed today as well. So the healing is technically 2 days ahead of schedule, so this is really good. So I also got the tape removed. Thank God, I hated the tape so much. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the results. I still have 2 more days in Korea, so we're gonna do some more things, but I think tomorrow is the first day I can go out without sunglasses on. Hey guys, so tonight is our last night in Korea. Tomorrow we are leaving Korea at like 4 p.m. We're flying back to China, and then after a few days in China, we're flying back home. So a little update on my eyes. They are doing really well, and I'm super happy with my results. Today I went back to the clinic and I met with my doctor again. He looked at my eyes and he told me that my surgery went really well, and I was really happy to hear that. So yeah, actually, I think my experience with the clinic that I went to was super nice. I would 100% recommend, and it's not sponsored by the way, but yeah, as far as swelling, I feel like it is finally socially acceptable to go out without sunglasses on. A little sad note, but I've actually this whole week I've just been out and about in Korea with sunglasses on, and I actually have really terrible vision, so my view of Korea has been super dark and blurry. So I really wish I can come back to Korea next time and like wear contacts so I can like fully experience Korea. As far as my eyes, I don't want to mess with them. According to the internet, you are not supposed to apply anything really directly on your eyes until 2 to 3 weeks after surgery, because that is when they're pretty much all sealed, like the little wound is sealed. Other than that, I think I'm gonna start doing skincare again because I've been putting that on hold all week. Yeah, so I have a little breakout here. Just yesterday I was like, Korea is improving my skin, and then the next day I break out. So I bought so many skincare products, so definitely gonna use them all. Hi guys, I think it's day 9 after surgery. I'm in China now. I don't think I was able to vlog that much yesterday or at all, but it was basically a whole day of traveling, so I was pretty busy and pretty tired at the end of the day. But here are my eyes now. I'm so surprised by how fast they healed. There's still definitely yellowing and like bruising here, but all of the redness in my eyes are now gone. So here are them closed, and here are my eyes open. I will be doing a review of the clinic that I went to next week, and I will also be doing a Q&A in that same video. So like, if you have any questions about anything along the process, just feel free to ask in the comments, so I'll answer them. But I guess this will technically conclude my Korea vlog. Thanks for watching, and see you next week with the review.